Alright guys, again, this is a type of problem in differential calculus that's still under time rates, okay? So, somehow, this is a famous problem wherein 3D na po tayo, okay? So, ano yung nangyari, okay? Yung setup ng problem, ganito, okay? You have a bridge, and on top of that, may isang tao, there's a man, walking, okay, along the bridge, given po yung speed niya at 5 feet per second, okay? Now, at that very moment, okay, pagdating niya sa gitna, directly beneath him, okay, sa ilalim niya, of course, ilog po ito o river po ito. May nag-pass through na boat, okay, wherein yung direction niya is perpendicular to the motion of this man, okay? So, kumbaga, kunyari, yung man papunta doon, okay, directly beneath him, may dumaan na bangka, okay? So, yung man papunta doon, yung bangka andito sa ilalim, okay? Of course, binigay po yung height ng bridge. That is 10 feet, okay? Now, tinatanong ngayon, okay, after 1 second, okay, after 1 second, gaano daw kabilis, okay, humiwalay yung bangka tsaka yung man, okay? After 1 second, of course, yung man nandun na, yung bangka andito na. So, pinapahanap ngayon sa'yo, ano daw yung distance nito? The distance between them, okay? So, now, makinig. Paano siya analyze, okay? Gawin mo, okay? I-plot mo siya using 3D axis, okay? So, gumawa ka lang ng 3D axis. Parang ganito siya. Okay? Parang ganyan siya. This is your X, this is your Y, and this is your Z, okay? Now, makinig. Anong gagawin, okay? Project ko siya doon, okay? Now, anong gagawin? Kinig Suppose, andito yung man, okay? Of course, andun siya sa taas okay? Andito siya sa Z, okay? Now, it is moving along the bridge, okay? So, yung movement po natin along sa Y, okay? So, yung man natin is, of course, papunta dito, okay? Punta dun yung man, okay? Now, how about the boat, okay? Of course, yung boat natin, andito sa ilalim, okay? Andito sa, yung man papunta doon, yung boat natin dito sa ilalim, okay? So, it is moving towards X, okay? So, nangyari, yung boat is, andito na siya after some time, okay? Now, makinig. Yung gawin mo, parang visualize mo siya, okay? Actually, you can form a box, okay? How? Okay? Gawin mo, gumawa ka lang ng box. After some time, andito na yung tao, okay? I-drag mo siya papunta sa y-axis, okay? Now, eto naman, project mo siya dito, okay? And i-drag mo siya papunta sa x-axis, okay? Now, how about this one? Project mo na siya doon, okay? Gumawa ka ng box, okay? Ito siya. Yan, okay? And, lastly, ito, okay? So, actually, nakabuo ka ng box, okay? So, sorry for my figure, okay? Now, nakabuo ka ng box. What happened, actually, is what, okay? As the man moves along the bridge, okay? Na-reach na yung point na to, okay? And as the boat, of course, moves along the river, na-reach na rin yung point na to, okay? So, tinatanong ngayon, how far is the man and the boat receding with each other, okay? So, gaano sila kabilis humiwalay, okay? So, gawin mo lang, i-connect mo lang yung endpoints nila. Ito ba yon? Yes, okay? So, actually, what you formed is what? That is actually the diagonal of the box, okay? So, now, para ma-appreciate mo siya, gawin natin, okay? Ito yung gawin nating length ng box. This represents the movement of the man, okay? Now, how about the movement of the boat? Gawin natin yan siya, W. Ito siya. Okay? Ito, yung length nito, ito din yan, the movement of the boat. Now, how about this one, sir? Okay, matik yan, that is your H, which is constant. Kahit gaano man kabilis yung man tsaka yung boat paghiwalay, yung height ng bridge, hindi po yan magbabago. Okay? So, among the variables, ito po yung hindi nagbabago. Okay? Unchanged po ito. This is constant. Now, the problem here is how are we going to relate L, H, and W? Okay? So, makinig. Actually, yung nabuo mo, again, this is the diagonal of the box. Okay? So, matik, yung diagonal ng box, that is simply what? Okay? That is simply the L squared plus W squared plus height squared. Okay? So, sir, saan mo yung hinanap or saan mo yung nakuha? Okay? Now, tuwin mo, ganito. Okay? Gumawa ka lang ng right triangle. Okay? Eto, yung corner na to, i-connect mo dito sa bottom din. Okay? So, eto siya. Yan. Okay? Ito yung part na yon, okay? Gawin ko yan siyang C, okay? Actually, may nabuo kang right triangle. Ito yung right triangle mo. The D, the C, and the height. Wherein, yung hypotenuse niya is your D, okay? So now, before we solve this D, okay? Before we solve this D, okay? Ano kayong value ng C na yan, okay? Now, yung C ba na yan, ito din yun yung sa taas. Okay? Ito ba yon? Yung distance mula dyan papunta dito? The answer is yes. Kasi nga, kung bottom face ito ng box, yung top face niyan, same lang din dito. Okay? So, kung C ito, C din yan. Okay? So, pag tiningnan mo siya top view, parang ganito yung makikita mo. Okay? This is the L, and this is the W. Okay? Ito ngayon yung C mo. Okay? Now, ano yung C na yan? Okay? Yung C na yan, of course, that is just the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So, C squared, therefore, is just simply L squared plus W squared. Tama? Now, kung nakuha mo na yung value ng C na yan, okay, tingnan mo ulit yung right triangle na to. Okay? So, by this, makaka-generate ka ulit ng right triangle. Okay? Wherein, yung sides mo, okay, is C, tsaka H, and yung hypotenuse mo, yun po yung D. Okay? Yan po yung hypotenuse ng, or yung diagonal ng box. Okay? So, therefore, guys, applying Pythagorean theorem ulit, D squared, therefore, is just simply C squared plus H squared. Now, ano yung value ng C? Okay? Yung value ng C is simply your L squared plus W squared plus H squared. That's the reason why, okay? Bakit naging ganito yan, okay? Kasi, dito yun galing, okay? Now, ano yung hinahanap, okay? Hinahanap ngayon, gaano daw kabilis, okay, humaba yung D na to. The distance that separates the man and the boat, okay? Yan po yung D, the diagonal of the box. Now, there are two solutions in here, okay? Pwede mo siyang laruin agad, okay? In terms of these variables, or pwede din, i-convert mo na siya in terms of speed, distance, and time, okay? So, first, dito tayo, okay? Makinig. Applying differentials in here, okay? 2D, okay? The derivative of D squared supposedly is only 2D, okay? Eh, kaso differential tayo. Okay, lagyan mo yan ng differential ng D, okay? Huwag ka malito DD, okay? That is the differential of D. Okay, lagyan mo lang ng DT sa baba, okay? Now, ano yung derivative ng L squared? That is simply 2L. Eh, kaso differential tayo, okay? So, in short, kaya ka lang ng dl over dt. Now, how about this one? Yung W mo. W mo is simply 2W dW over dt. Now, lastly, what is the derivative of h squared? Okay, so matik, 0 po yan kasi nga, as time flows by, hindi man nagbabago yung height ng tulay or ng bridge. Okay, so constant yan. Okay, so what happens to the constants or coefficients na 2, maka-cancel out po yan. Okay, so you'll end up with this one. Okay, actually, ito po yung hinahanap natin. The derivative of d with respect sa time. Okay, ito po yung hinahanap. Wherein, that is simply L dl over dt. Okay, plus W dW over dt. Okay? Now, ano yung D na yan? Okay? Yan po yung value ng diagonal. Ilagay mo dito siya sa baba. Okay? Now, makinig. Yung L na yan, yan po yung length wherein yung gin-travel ng man. Okay? Yung rate po niyan is 5 feet per second. Now, tanong, ilan daw yung distance between them at t is equal to 1 second? After 1 second, okay, ilan kayong value niya? Makinig. Kung yung rate niya is 5 feet per second, after 1 second, ilan na kaya yung L? Is that 5 feet? Yes, okay? So guys, how about this W? After 1 second, kung yung rate ng boat is 10 feet per second, i-multiply mo lang siya ng 1 second, okay? So in short, yung mag-travel niya is already 10 feet, okay? Now, substituting, the length is 5, okay? The rate at which the man is moving, the dl over dt is also 5 feet per second. So 5 times 5 plus, how about the rate or the width wherein can travel ng boat? Okay, that is already 10 feet, okay? Now, the rate of the boat is also 10 feet per second, okay? So that is 5 times 5 over, or 5 times 5 plus 10 times 10 over what? The square root of d, okay? Or the value of d. Wherein, yung d mo is simply, dito ha, wala na po yung square, okay? Yung d po is simply the square root of l squared plus w squared plus h squared. Now, what is l? L is 5 squared. What is w? W is 10 squared. And lastly, the height of the bridge, which is constant, na 10 din. Okay? So guys, what's this? The derivative of d with respect sa time is simply what? 5 times 5 plus 10 times 10, that is 125, over what? 100 plus 100, 200 plus 25. The square root of 225 is 15, okay? So therefore, this is simply what? 125 over 15, or simply 8.33 feet per second. This is the rate at which the man and the boat is receding, okay? Yan po yung rate kung saan nag-separate silang dalawa, okay? Now, you can actually solve this one, okay? D squared is simply L squared plus W squared plus H squared, okay? So, gawin mo na lang, tandaan mo lang guys, speed is just simply distance over time. But if you're looking for the value of the distance, that is simply what? Speed times time, okay? So guys, kung ito yung governing formula mo, okay? Now, ano yung distance? Ano yung length mo, okay? So simply, the rate ng man, which is 5 feet per second, i-multiply mo lang sa time, which is your variable. So therefore guys, yung length mo is just 5, which is the speed, times the time. L is just 5t, okay? Now, how about your W, okay? Yung rate naman ng boat is simply 10, okay? So that is simply 10 times t, okay? Of course, your height is simply 10. Hindi po yun magbabago, okay? Kasi nga, constant yan. And so therefore, d squared is just simply what? L squared. Ano yung L squared? That is simply 5t squared plus, ano yung W squared? That is simply 10t squared plus 10 squared, which is your height. I-express natin lahat ng variable in terms of t. Now, pag nilaro mo to ulit, what will happen? Okay? So, mangyari, this is simply what? 2d dd over dt, dd over dt, okay, is simply what? 2, the derivative of 5t is what? Okay? That is simply 5 plus 2, power formula, 10t, the derivative of 10t is simply 10. The derivative of 10 is 0. Okay? So, lahat ng 2 makakancel out and you'll end up with what? dd over dt is simply what? 5 times time, which is 1 second, magiging 5. Times 5, magiging 25. 10 times t, which is 1, times 10 is simply 100 divided by your d. Now, 25 plus 100 is simply 125 over the d, which is 15. So, in short, the derivative of distance over time is 125 over 15, or also 8.33 feet per second. So, kahit saan ka dyan dumaan, same pa rin yung sagot. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you.